In this video, I'm going to show you the best online business model based on your budget and amount of free time. There has never been a better time to start an online business, but there are so many different choices, and of course, you want to pick the best one. So together, we're going to do an in-depth analysis of each business model, and by the end, you should have found the business you're going to go with. Now, pay attention and watch the entire video because you really need to get started on your business journey to escape
the matrix.
To find the best business model, we need to look at different metrics, such as difficulty, startup costs, sale price, profit margin, payment type, outsourcing, exit, and time needed. Difficulty is how hard the business model is. Startup cost is the investment you need to start the business. Sale price is how much you make per sale. Profit margin is how much you keep per sale. Payment type is either a one-time payment or a subscription. Outsourcing is whether you're able to outsource different tasks in the business. Exit is how much you can sell the business for. Time needed is how much time you need to be investing in the business. So, let's get started. There are two ways to do affiliate marketing: as an influencer or starting a blog or YouTube channel. As an influencer, it's easy to just create a post and upload it to your social media with an affiliate link, and the startup cost is basically $0. The sale price is typically anywhere from $5 to $300. Your commission or profit margin can be as low as 1% on Amazon and up to 55% on other websites. The payment type is typically once per sale, and it's not really possible to outsource it in the future because you're the brand yourself. You wouldn't be able to sell it either, and if you did, it would be at a low price. The time needed is low because you only need to upload a post with your affiliate link. The other way is through blogs or YouTube videos where you make content like top 10 best monitors and then link your affiliate link to the monitors. Now, this is medium difficulty because you need to either rank high on YouTube or rank high in Google search. The startup cost is around $50 since you need either editing software or a website for your blog. The sale price, profit margin, and payment are all the same as before, but outsourcing is possible here compared to an influencer. This is of course going to raise costs, but if you're making money, it can free up some of your time. Also, since you aren't the brand yourself, you can sell it later for a decent price. The time needed for starting a blog or YouTube channel is high. Amazon FBA is where you pick a product, then buy it in bulk and ship it to Amazon's warehouse. Then they will store it, and when a customer buys your product, they will pack it and ship it out. Amazon FBA is easy difficulty since Amazon takes care of storage, packing, and shipping. The startup cost is around $1,000 to $3,000 since you need to buy products in bulk. The sale price is around $20 to $500 and the profit margin is 5 to 25% since Amazon also takes a cut. The payment type is once per sale, and outsourcing is doable since you can hire someone to control inventory and order new stock. The exit is low here since Amazon controls most of your business. The time needed is also low since you only need to find products, order stock, and control inventory. Courses belong in the hard difficulty since you have to spend a lot of time researching, planning, and recording your course. The startup cost is around $50 for some editing software and a website. The good thing about courses is that you can decide if they should be sold for $30,000 or $2,000. Now the profit margin is almost everything you make except the editing software and website, so 98%. But if you need to run ads, the profit margin can be down to 20%. You also decide for yourself if the payment type is once or a subscription. Outsourcing a course is possible, but really expensive. If you build a good course, the exit can be pretty decent. The time needed for making a course is very high, but it depends on how much knowledge you already have or whether you need time to research. But still, planning, recording, and editing still take a long time. Day trading is very hard and it takes a huge investment to get started. You can start with as low as $1,000, but because of the PDT rule, starting with less than $25,000 isn't optimal since you can only do 3 trades within a 5-day period. The sale price is different depending on how much you're trading with. The profit margin is 100%, but there's also a really high chance of losing money. Payment time is once per trade. Since you are the trader, outsourcing isn't really possible since you have to learn the other traders, and it's really hard to learn day trading in general. The exit is low since there isn't really a business to be sold, it's just you trading. The time needed is also very high here since you need to learn all the different trading patterns and be at your computer at all times to see what's going on in the market. There are also 2 different ways to do dropshipping. There's dropshipping with paid ads and dropshipping with organic traffic. Dropshipping with paid ads is in the easy difficulty since the ads do most of the work. The startup cost is around $1,000 to $3,000 since you need money for testing different products. The sale price is typically $30 to $500 with a 15 to 40% profit margin. When it comes to payment type, it's typically once per sale, but you could also do subscription boxes. It's possible to outsource a lot of different tasks later on to free up some of your time, which also gives this business model a high exit value. The time needed for dropshipping with paid ads is low since the ads are doing the heavy lifting. Now dropshipping with organic traffic is a bit harder than paid ads, so it's in the medium difficulty. The startup costs can be as low as $100 you'll need for a Shopify plan, domain, some Shopify apps, and ordering a test product home. The sale price is the same as before, but the profit margin is higher, typically around 40 to 70%. Again, the payment type is often once per sale, but can also be a subscription. Here you can also outsource some of the different tasks, including ad creation, which like before, gives the business a high exit value. The time needed is medium since you need to make a lot of content for social media. SMMA or social media marketing agency is where you run ads for other businesses. This belongs to the hard difficulty since you need to find clients, have client meetings, and learn to manage their ads. The startup cost is around $50 since you only need a business email and a website to get started. The sale price can be anywhere from $500 to $10,000 depending on your client. Now the profit margin is almost everything you make since the only expenses you have is the website and business email because the clients pay for the ads. You can also outsource the ad management, but it will eat a big chunk of your profits. So the profit margin is between 30 to 98%. This payment type is subscription-based where you typically get paid every month. You're able to outsource the ad management, but you'll most likely still have meetings with clients. The exit here is medium, and the same as time needed if you outsource ad management. Otherwise, the time needed will be in the high category. So which type of business should you start? It depends on your budget, free time, and personality. Here you can see what type of business fits you the best. So let's say you have a low budget, a lot of free time, and are introverted, then affiliate marketing with blogs or YouTube, courses, and dropshipping with organic traffic would be a good idea. But if you're extroverted, you could try starting a social media marketing agency. Let's say you have a higher budget and little free time. Then you could try Amazon FBA or dropshipping with paid ads. This should give you a good idea of which type of business you want to go with based on your situation. And in case your choice is dropshipping, I will show you everything you need to start building your own dropshipping business in my next video. I upload videos every Friday at 4 p.m. EST, so subscribe and click the bell so you'll get notified when it's uploaded. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you Friday.